Good morning. I'm going to do a quick overview of my 2011 Fit Eddie BMX bike. Main highlights include a cult pivotal seat. In the front I got a 25 tooth King BMX sprocket. The rear rim is stock with a 9-tooth driver. It's got a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. The pedals are Black Label plastic pedals. Show you the front. The front rim is a Salt IQ line rim. Got an Odyssey brake lever. The Jaguar cable housing. Overall, the bike's in great condition. The frame is, there's no dents on the frame, a couple scratches here and there from daily riding. Try to show you the stamp on the frame. There you can see it's a genuine fit. A little sample of the hub sound. Nice and loud. It's got Odyssey tires, 2x2.1. Still have plenty of tread left. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and feel free to contact me.